talking about. I was thinking about doing time-lapse, but I'm like, no. It's more work. You have to stitch the photos together and make some crazy slideshow. We'll just come back to that. Screw that. We'll come back to that. It's actually printing pretty fast. It's getting thicker. Thicker. Let's move in a little bit. Can't get the very top. I'll adjust this stupid thing. I'm using my a makeshift tripod. Let's see, hold on. I'll have to dismount this thing. I'm gonna remove it from the tripod. Keep the tripod where it is. I'm gonna get in close. So there you see it's doing its thing. That's one of the first piece. I guess it's going to do them one at a time. Well, hopefully they're evenly spaced out so it won't knock over one. I don't think I had that problem before, so whatever. But it's doing its thing. I think it might be doing this piece right here. I think it's doing that piece. Because that's the only thing that makes sense. There's no way it's doing this piece. Because if it was doing that piece, it would have stopped already. It's already creating an overhang. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, so I finished printing the Coffin cube. So actually remembered how to put it together. Okay, so let me turn the light now. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna put this together and try to do it in one shot. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So here it is. I might have to rotate it a few times, but I'll get it. Okay. Oh, okay, there's that one. That one. Wait, hold on. Okay. Almost got disoriented. Alright. The last, the last piece. There it is. So this is the whole idea. It's a cube. Bam. One more time. I'm starting off with specific pieces, so let me get closer. Okay, so we're gonna do that one. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do this one. We're going to do this one. Oh, no, I'll start over. You can see it. Okay, so I'll do it like that. I'll get my hands out the way. Okay, so let me start off this one. I just need the base on there so it'll stand. Okay, so now it's standing. Okay. There's that. I'm going to get that. I'm going to lay it flat so again I can easily see. Actually. Okay, I'm going to rotate it again so it's laying flat. Somewhat flat. Okay, we're going to put, oh, hope it doesn't fall apart. Okay, there it is. Or let me lay it. It's the better side. It's a good side. Rotate it again. And the L shape. Oh, well, that's in a good side. And there it is. Oop, piece fell off. Oh, oh, it's falling apart. It's falling apart. No. No, it doesn't stay together. It doesn't stay together well. Anyway, clean this up. Comes off pretty easily. Actually, when this was done printing, that came up pretty easily. Let's get married today. Easily. Red Hot Chili Peppers. Red Hot Chili Peppers. Everything must go. I like Red Hot Chili Peppers. Yes. All right. That's it for now. Another 3D print of the Coffin cube. That's what it's called. I think it's called the Coffin cube. Hold on, let me look at my menu. I think it's called the Coffin cube, or Coffin's cube. This particular puzzle, I think, was made in the 70s or something like that. So it's a pretty new little puzzle. It's pretty cool. It was one of the files that came with my printer on the SD card, so just put it in the trash can. So it's pretty cool. It's a pretty good demo, and it's actually something that's useful and fun. I didn't design it. I did these things, my little fun coins. I made them look all kind of rad and everything. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. MEMATRON out.